Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a quick look at the BRV-Mini rugged portable speaker. It's from Braven. And this is a waterproof portable speaker. This is one, but you can also pair two together if you want. So we got this so we can listen to music and stuff outdoors.
So you're saying if we bought another one of these, we could play stereo?
Yes.
Cool.
So let's open it up. See what's
There's
inside.
instructions on how to open the box. By the way.
Oh, there is.
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh.
But it's definitely packaged really well.
It's packaged really well. So this is waterproof. There's the bunks.
Okay. Now we can put this
Right,
on the side.
it's got instructions. Let's get started. Might need that. And there it is. Okay. Oh, and a sticker. Raven.
Nothing else? Okay.
All right. So here it is. So it's got a little rope, so you could like tie it to something. It's got a charger here. So it comes with a cable. What is this, a USB?
Yeah, so basically they have a little thing in the front. Just basically pop that off. And it's USB-C.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's USB-C.
USB-C.
You plug that in.
Plug it in, charge it up.
Charges up. It lasts for about 12 hours, it says, and it's waterproof. And you can pair it up with Bluetooth, so you can listen to music on your phone. You can also use it as a speakerphone if you want to take calls.
That's kind of cool. And it has a on-off button and a plus and a minus. So let's turn it on.
All right.
Maybe we gotta hold it. Hold on. Woo! Pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Why don't you pair it up to your phone?
All right, let's see if we can figure this out. All right, first off, let's see. There we go, the BRV Mini. Just click the button. Oh, that was nice. I just had to turn it on. I didn't have to go do some pairing mode thing or whatever else. So that's kind of nice.
That works.
Need to have the whole thing there. All right.
Needs to show Mark how to play music.
There we go. So it's got a pretty good sound.
And the volume controls are right here on the top. That's really easy. So you can turn it up, turn it down. It's actually got like kind of a nice
Pretty loud.
sound. It's got
What's this thing here do? Oh, a mute button. Oh, and it muted the phone too. That's pretty cool. Oh, nice. Oh, pretty good. You can feel the bass. I don't think I can feel it on the video, but I can tell you this thing's vibrating pretty good in the bass.
I don't think that's a mute button. I think that's a pause button.
No, it is. Yeah, you're right. It's pause because look, it
Pause
stopped.
button. It's
It
not a
stopped the
mute
music.
button. If you're on a conference call, you don't want to mistake that for the mute button.
Yeah, that probably makes sense.
All right, so this is great. This is the Braven. What's it?
Braven BRV-Mini.
BRV-Mini. It's really nice. It's waterproof, so this is a really great speaker to take with you when you're traveling or outdoors, camping, or
Yeah,
on a
look at
boat.
this.
Or
It claims it floats.
yeah, well, that's really cool.
We're not going to test that here.
We're not going to test that today.
So, but yeah, the USB-C and hooks up to Bluetooth. Boy, it hooked up really easy to my phone.
Yeah, really easy.
Yeah,
it's
so
a
it's really
great
worked
little
out really
durable
well.
speaker to use outside.
Okay, that's it.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.